That's the worst looking garden I've ever seen.
Worse, it's growing stuff.
It's growing weeds, and
There's
you
some
just
pumpkins.
publicly said that on this video that you got a garden there. Y'all hate on me enough. Why don't y'all hate on Nick a little bit about his planting skills? He is from California, though.
There's 100
Of course,
pumpkins in there.
You have not opened the door into your face today, have you?
No, I didn't do that.
Takes a special talent for that. A little
Takes a
special
talent to
type
do that.
of person. What's this fence here?
This was to hold in the donkey.
Did a blind man put that in?
Two blind men.
Huh.
Me and Andy.
If y'all live in Sumner County, Tennessee, and have the time to come give Nick some pointers, y'all might want to reach out to him and teach him how to build a fence, grow a garden, fix a shed, little small things like that.
I think this is a man-made lake.
That's not a lake, that's a pond.
What's the difference between a lake and a pond?
About 20 acres. This is about an acre,
So water can come all the way up to there.
but it don't stay.
Right.
So here's your problem.